Hey y'all, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you know by now, my name is Ellie Marie and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, then welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I don't think I've given y'all a winter curly hair routine or my winter wash and go routine, whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, something along those lines. But I don't think I've shown y'all or told y'all what products I like to use. Now it's gonna be a little different. This might be a little updated version. I don't know if I did one, but if I did, this would be an updated version. And if y'all don't know, I'm gonna be using all Ecoslay products just because they get me right. They get me right and tight. Okay, I just rinsed out my hair. I washed the deep conditioner. I rinsed out my deep conditioner, and let me take my hair down so y'all can see. I'm really liking this little moment. I feel like, damn. Woo! It's cold. Well, this is warm, but my scalp and stuff is cold. Anyways, so I'm going to be using 3 products today. I need to fill up my water bottle. Oh no, I don't. I'm gonna just fill it up with this water from the bottle. Okay. So first, I have this water or spray mister. I'm going to put water in and aloe vera. It has a little bit of it, but not enough for me to finish my head. So water and aloe vera. Okay, so I have my water done, and next I have my leave-in conditioner, which I wanted to use 2, but it's okay. So first I'm going to use the Ecoslay. This is their rice pudding leave-in conditioner. I also want to grab one more thing. Her. So I haven't used this before, but I want to test it out. This is the Curlsmith Miracle Shield. This is like their protection. It's for heat protection, UVA rays and all that. This lightweight protein enriched leave-in treatment helps protect from all 6 harsh hair aggressors: heat tools, seawater, brushing, styling, chlorine, and UV rays. So yeah, we're gonna try this today. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on my hair, just a bit. So I took my hair down, and I'm going to start on this side. And first, this is my hair. My hair feels good. I used a new deep conditioner today, so it surprised me, but it feels good. It's not as soft I would like to be, but it's gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is just spray some of this. Now, first off, is it how you open it? Okay, so I'm just gonna spray it on here, I guess. If it come out. Oh, it smells just like their Strand collection. It has like a sweet smell. I like that. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to split my hair into 4. Okay, so I've applied all my heat protectant, but now I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner to all 4 sections. And I'm going to take about 2 pumps. Y'all couldn't see that. I'm taking about 2 pumps because I am going to be using Jello Shot. And Jello Shot is a very casting gel, so I might take another pump, but I just want to really get it in the hair first. Well, actually no, because I'm going to apply one more product. So I'm going to work this through, and I'm going to apply it to all of my sections. And I am going to comb it out with my Tangle Teezer just to make sure that everything is properly saturated. And this smells so good. So good. It kind of smells like bananas to me. So now that I've applied all the leave-in conditioner, I am going to apply a little bit of the lemon buttercream, which is from Ecoslay. My thing is yeah. So yeah, that's why it's in the bag right now and I can't really pick it up, but I'm going to apply a little bit to each section. My hair loves to flake and it's cold outside, so I need a little bit of extra moisture to my hair. So I'm going to take about that much. That's probably a lot. I'm going to take a little bit, rub it in my hands, and just apply it to my hair. Now I love this lemon buttercream. I don't use it as often. I like to use it more so when my hair needs something moisturizing and when my hair is just like, you know, needs some moisture. And when it's cold outside too, that's a great way to add this to your routine. So y'all saw I just applied a little bit. I'm going to apply the same, close to the same amount to every section. And did I mention that these had to be refrigerated, so like they're freezing cold in my hand because I just took them out the fridge. So now that I applied that, it's time for us to apply my favorite product from Ecoslay, and like favorite product of all time probably. And if y'all know what it is, y'all got a couple seconds to get it right. Ecoslay's Jello Shot. I'm running a little low, but I think it's gonna last me like 3 more times. We'll see. And I'm going to section my hair. This is the time where I'm going to, I don't want to say like go slow, but I'm going to take my time and define my curls because as y'all can see right now, no definition. So first I'm going to detangle. Apply water, aloe vera juice. And I'm going to soak my hair because Jello Shot, it just needs all the water that it can get, okay? Okay, I applied lots of water, and now I'm going to take about that much of Jello Shot. I'm going to emulsify it in my hands and apply it to the hair. Now I probably am going to apply a little bit more because my hair just needs a little bit more, but I always want to emulsify it in my hands so it'll be evenly spread out. And I might shingle a couple pieces, I might not. And I'm gonna keep applying water because I know my hair needs it. And if y'all see me looking right here, I'm looking at my what is this thing, mirror, because I don't have a mirror in front of me. And y'all see how that just defined my hair? I didn't even apply that much. I'm gonna apply a little bit more Jello Shot, just a little. I don't want to go too heavy-handed, but my hair, I want it to hold. This is supposed to last me till New Year's, so, or up until New Year's and afterwards, you know. And like I said, apply water. And y'all see the definition? Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the next section. And I'm gonna do the same motions with applying as much water as possible.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
And just to show y'all again, so I have this section here, right? No curl definition whatsoever, it's just frizzy. So I'm going to brush it through, drench it, and I mean really drench it, like drench it, let it drip down your back with the water, okay? Like you is in a pool or something. Drench your hair down because this Jello Shot is really going to suck up all that moisture, okay? Grab you some Jello Shot or your favorite gel of choice, whatever. Emulsify it in your hands. Grab your hair and just smooth it down. Don't even rake it. Smooth it down. Smooth, smooth, smooth. And every now and again, I'm putting my finger in to go ahead and separate the curls, but just so they'll get a little bit of definition. And me, I'm going to go in a little bit more with some more gel because that's just what I'm going to do because I want my hair to last. And I'm just going to smooth it. And you can shingle the pieces around your face because you want your face to be framing. So that's what I'm going to do, but I'm not going to shingle every single piece because it's just going to leave me with a lot of flat hair for the first couple of days. And I want a little bit of volume. And remember, if you add more gel, add more water. Like the amount of gel you add like triple times the water, okay? And just look at those curls. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more gel, okay? I added like the smallest amount. The smallest amount. Smallest amount, okay? And this is my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair.
I know you want me every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my little ways commit you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby? And tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you. I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you more, just slow, just split you in half with my heart. I just wanna love on you, trust in you, honor you, please do the same on your part. Be honest, you.
Okay, y'all. So y'all see the hair. I'm doing my hair. Well, I'm still gonna since I did use so many moisturizing products, I am gonna take a little bit of Jello Shot, spray my hands with some water, emulsify it, and I'm gonna go around and just put this on my ends because I want my ends to be a little crunchy. The last, I'm gonna scratch the front. I've been scrunching, I don't know why. Make sure that I do have a crunch towards the front. If you saw, I was adding more gel to the front than I was the back because the front is a looser texture, and when it doesn't define anymore, it just gets frizzy. So add a little bit of extra gel just to help it out. And now I'm going to air dry for 20 to 30 minutes. And I'm going to blow dry, and I'm going to come back and show y'all what my hair is looking like tomorrow after I stretched it and all that good jazz. Okay, y'all, so I am back, and y'all see my hair. Let me turn my brightness up a little bit. Y'all see my hair, it looks so good. So it's the next day, and I stretched my hair, and I've been really liking wearing it in this like fro state. So that's what I'm doing. I just finished stretching it and getting dressed and stuff because I'm just going out to get something to eat. It's giving what the girl said it's supposed to give, okay? I really like my hair, and it always turns out bomb.com. No flaking over here or nothing. Let me not fix this. Don't pay attention to my background, okay? But y'all, look at this. The curls are giving. It's giving shine. It's giving curl definition. And it's not super crunchy. I know in the past I'm used to being wanted to be like really crunchy, but it's not, okay? But yeah, y'all, this is my hair, and all the products I use will be down in the description box. Ecoslay always gets me right, and I do have a discount code if y'all want to use it to get money off of your purchase from Ecoslay. It'll be on the screen and it'll be down below. You can click the link in my bio as well if y'all want to purchase something. But yeah, y'all, that's how I got this. And just look at it. Like, my hair is not in a fro form. Just imagine if I cut my hair like in a fro shape. It would be bomb. And I used the perfect amount of the Jello Shot. But yeah, y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave today, and I will see y'all in my next video. And if this doesn't come out before New Year's, Happy New Year's.